The gentleman, thank you for meeting me. The air in here sniffs just thick with that incredible aroma of aged tobacco. It feels like the perfect setting for this. Chuckle softly. It is the best perfume in the world, my friend. It really is. Look, I know why we're here, and it's not just to enjoy a fine smoke, as lovely as that is. I have this vision. I want to create a cigar, but not just any cigar. Something crafted exclusively for the UAE, for the palates right here. That is an ambitious goal, Liam. The market here is very discerning. Exactly, that's the point. It should be a symbol of luxury, of heritage. Something that speaks to the deep appreciation for the finer things that is so much a part of the culture here. I want it to be an instant classic. A cigar is more than just rolled leaves. Yes, it is a story, a journey of flavor. So to create a blend for a new sophisticated market like this, this is an exciting challenge. It is an opportunity to push the boundaries of my craft. And Faisal, that's why you're so crucial to this. You are the audience I want to capture. You know what makes a cigar work here. It is true. It's not just about strength or a famous brand name. It is the entire experience. The experience, yes. The origin is everything. We could consider a filler blend. Maybe use tobaccos from different regions to build that complexity you want. What are you thinking? Perhaps some vintage Palo Cubano from our farms in the Dominican Republic. It gives a rich, earthy base. Then we combine it with a touch of Nicaraguan leaf from Jalapa for a subtle, spicy sweetness. The key is balance, harmony.
Can I jump in here? Of course. In the UAE, smoothness is paramount. I cannot stress this enough. The climate is warm. A harsh or peppery cigar can be overpowering, right? Our aficionados appreciate a smoke that is full-bodied, yes, but also incredibly refined, balanced. Also, the aroma is very important. It should be pleasant, inviting, not acrid. This means the fermentation and aging process will be critical. We will need to use tobaccos that have been aged for at least 5, maybe 7 years. This extra time allows the oils to mature. It mellows out any harshness and gives us that exceptionally smooth character you're talking about.
Let's use the Ecuadorian Connecticut wrapper for that elegance and creamy texture you mentioned, Alejandro. A good choice. But for the binder and filler, we create that rich, complex core, a Dominican binder to hold it all together. And we must not forget the presentation. The experience has to begin before the cigar is even lit. What do you mean? The band should be a work of art. Perhaps with subtle design elements from Emirati heritage elegant gold foil. The box itself must be a statement piece, crafted from fine wood. When someone is presented with this cigar, they should immediately know they are about to experience something exceptional. That attention to detail, that is what defines luxury in our culture. This is how the greatest cigars are born. It is not one person's vision. It is a meeting of minds. We will craft a legacy, a cigar that is not only smoked, but remembered.